Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I'm going to turn this piece of English yew. It has a lot of bears all around it, and I think it's going to be an interesting piece to turn. So I'm hoping to make a natural edge kind of uh, uh, with the shape I can see here. It's going to be waviness around the bowl and quite a deep one, and I'm going to see how this lathe can handle such a off balance piece. So hopefully it can handle it. Let's get started. And I'm gonna take the off take this side away first, make it a little bit more true, more even first, then we shape it. Okay guys, I've spent ages sanding this through the grits, and I'm keeping this side of it natural like that, but I also sanded it, and it gives a nice texture to it as well, like a ripple effect, kinda like that. So I'm gonna apply cut and polish from chestnut first, then I'm going to go onto Yorkshire grit, but the 2000 grit version. That takes it up to 1000, and that gonna take it to 2000. Alright, I've finished sanding it. Took me ages to sand this smooth, because there was a little bit of tear out here on the wings, and it's to be expected when you're turning air in between. So when you start this sort of projects, know that you're up for a lot of sanding. So I took it to 400 grit, and then I'm applying the cotton polish I showed you guys earlier. Just gotta be very careful when you're doing this. I've got a big chunk in my hand, and I'm not getting anywhere near it. So, and don't wrap it around your finger. That's not what you want to do. If it pulls this, it just pulls it out of my hand. There we go, all done. This is such a lovely wood, and I'm very surprised how this lathe handled it, because this was a really heavy piece, and it had no problem at all. But check this grain, guys. A lot of burrs all around. Some of it got turned away, but I'm not really. I don't really care that much because it looks fantastic. There's a purple part as well to it, and that's the inside. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun to turn this piece. There was a lot of sanding, but from a past experience, I expected it to be ridges here and tear out, but you can avoid it some if you have a thick scraper, to get it evened out, and that's what I did, but I did it with carbide, so it's basically the same thing. Whichever you have, don't go out your way by carbide just to do that. Use scraper. That's it for this project. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, it helps a lot. Thank you. Take care guys, bye.